If you've ever needed to find your Steam ID, whether it's for adding friends, linking accounts, troubleshooting a game, or setting up a community tool, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in 2026. The good news is that Steam makes it pretty easy once you know where to look. And in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Steam Community in your browser or open the Steam desktop app if that's what you usually use. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account because the Steam ID you're looking for belongs to the profile you're currently logged into. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your username. This opens your account menu. From there, click View My Profile. That will take you directly to your public Steam profile page. Now here's the important part. Look at the address bar at the top of your browser. If the URL shows something like steamcommunity.com/profiles/ and then a long string of numbers, that long number is your Steam ID64. This is the unique ID many websites, games, and support tools ask for. So if you see a number like 7656 followed by more digits, that is the Steam ID you need. If your profile URL instead uses a custom name, that's your Steam Vanity URL, not the numeric Steam ID64. In that case, you may need to open the profile settings or use a Steam ID Lookup tool to find the numeric version. But for most users, the easiest method is simply going to your profile and checking the browser link. Once you have that number, you can copy it and use it wherever it's needed. And that's it. You've now found your Steam ID in just a few clicks. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial.